Hello everyone, my name is Peyton Davis and I'm an Operations Program Manager on the AWS Marketplace team. In today's PartnerCast session, we're going to go over how to create a seller private offer for an AMI hourly product. In this presentation, we'll dive into a brief overview of the private offer process, an overview of AMI hourly products in AWS Marketplace, how AMI hourly private offers are structured, and how to create private offers for AMI hourly products. Then we'll cover how to send a private offer link to customers to ensure private offer success. Lastly, we'll wrap up with key takeaways, FAQs, and some resources related to private offers for AMI hourly products that you may find helpful. To start, let's go over important acronyms related to this program. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Images. Amazon EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. AMMP stands for AWS Marketplace Management Portal. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. And ISV stands for Independent Software Vendor. Now we'll cover what private offers are. The AWS Marketplace Seller Private Offer feature enables AWS customers to receive custom pricing and terms from a seller's product. AWS customers negotiate pricing and terms with the seller, and the seller creates a private offer for the AWS account that the customer designates. The customer accepts the private offer and immediately benefits from the negotiated price and terms of use. Each seller private offer has pricing and licensing terms specifically offered to the customer's account, as well as a set expiration date. It should be noted that if the customer does not accept the private offer by the expiration date, the offer will no longer be available and the seller must extend the offer expiration date for it to be available again, or the seller will have to create a new offer. Now let's take a deeper dive into the private offer operational process. First comes buyer-seller negotiation. This is when the buyer and seller negotiate custom pricing, terms, and the payment schedule. This step happens between the seller and the buyer independently, outside of AWS. For all AMI hourly products, the customer will be billed on the 3rd of the following month. Next comes offer customization. Once the buyer and seller have come to an agreement on the pricing, the payment schedule, and the terms, the seller needs to create the offer. If you are a seller and you're not able to use the Seller Creates tool, please reach out to mpcustdesk@amazon.com. Next is transaction. This is when a customer receives the offer link, reviews pricing and terms, and accepts the offer. With all private offers, customers log in to AWS Marketplace and navigate to the private offer by either using the link the seller provided, which takes the buyer directly to the private offer, or navigating to the product page, choosing Continue to Subscribe, and choosing the private offer from the list of available offers. The last step of the process is invoicing and reporting. Once a customer accepts a private offer, they will either be invoiced immediately or per the payment schedule dictated in the offer, or on the 3rd of the following month, depending on the type of product they purchased. AWS is responsible for collecting the funds from the customer and will distribute to the ISV accordingly. The ISV will receive reports for all accepted private offers and disbursements. We'll be focusing on customization in this presentation. Now let's look at the specifics of AMI hourly products available in AWS Marketplace. One way of delivering products to buyers is with Amazon Machine Images, or AMIs. An AMI provides the information required to launch an EC2 instance. ISVs create a custom AMI for their product, and buyers can use it to create EC2 instances with the product already installed and ready to use. With an AMI hourly product, the buyer negotiates an hourly rate for using an AMI, rounded up to the nearest whole hour. AMI hourly products listed in AWS Marketplace are billed on usage measured by the software application. Examples of metered usage dimensions include data usage, host or agent usage, or bandwidth usage. Buyers can use these AMI products in the same way that they use other AMIs in AWS, including making new custom versions of the AMI. EC2 instances created from the AMI are still billed as your product based on the AMI product code. For more information about IAM roles for Amazon EC2, see documentation in the resources section of this presentation. Now let's take a look at an example of an AMI hourly product. Trend Micro Deep Security is an AMI hourly product. As you can see in the product description, the fulfillment method is AMI, and you can see the per hour cost for each instance launched on the pricing table. This means that any customer subscribing to this product will be billed on the third of the following month for their usage based on the per hour rate. This is why this product is often referred to as a pay-as-you-go product or hourly product. Now let's look at how AMI hourly private offers are structured. Creating AMI hourly private offers is a simple and straightforward process. ISVs determine the hourly price per instance, the duration of the offer, and the expiration date, which determines how long the customer has to subscribe. Next, let's look at how an ISV can create a private offer in their AWS Marketplace Management portal. First, sign in to the AWS Marketplace Management portal and navigate to the Offers tab, then choose Create Offer. Select the product and enter the customer's AWS account ID, then choose Next. Here we'll be able to give the offer a custom offer name. Then we enter the price per hour for each instance type. Next, select the applicable end-user license agreement and upload any additional documents if applicable. Indicate if the customer is a renewal or net new, then choose the offer expiration date. This determines how long the customer has to subscribe to the offer before the offer is no longer available. Finally, choose the subscription end date. This determines how long the customer uses the private offer pricing. Choose Review Offer and confirm all data entered is correct. Then choose Extend Offer. The private offer will be created within 45 minutes and available for you to view and send to the customer in the Offers tab of your AWS Marketplace Management portal. Here you can see the offer created is ready. You can indicate the offer and choose Copy Offer URL or click the offer ID to view the offer details. You can also copy the offer URL from the offer details screen. Now let's talk about how to ensure private offer success. When an offer is created on AWS, the buyer is not automatically notified. It is important to send the customer the private offer link with the appropriate subscription instructions. Here is an example of an email template that can be used to send the customer a private offer link for AMI hourly private offers. You can find the email template in the checklist that accompanies this presentation. Now let's recap what we've just covered. Today we learned about AMI hourly products in AWS Marketplace, how AMI hourly private offers are structured, and how to create an AMI hourly private offer in AMMP. Now let's go over some frequently asked questions. Can an ISV use a flexible payment schedule to create a private offer for AMI hourly products? No. All buyers that subscribe to AMI hourly private offers will be billed for usage on the third of the following month. FPS does not support this product type. What happens once the private offer contract ends? When the buyer's private offer ends, they are automatically moved to the public offer and will be billed per the public offer rate. If the customer needs to cancel the use of this software, they will need to unsubscribe from the product. Can an ISV change the pricing while the private offer is still active? If an ISV wishes to change the pricing while the contract is still active, they can create a new private offer with updated pricing. Please note that the customer still needs to accept the new offer before the new rates become active. Here are the resources I mentioned in today's presentation. You'll also be able to find these resources in the checklist for this video. If you have any further questions about private offers, please reach out to mpcustdesk@amazon.com. Thank you. I hope you'll join us again soon for another PartnerCast session. We love to get feedback on how we can improve the learning experience for AWS partners. If you're interested in sharing your opinion and shaping the future of AWS Partner Learning, you can become an AWS Partner Training Feedback Contributor. To learn more about this opportunity to give us direct feedback and to sign up, go ahead and take a moment right now to open your phone camera app, hold it up to the QR code, and click the website QR code that pops up at the top of your screen.